Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today we're taking a look at SaleWho, a platform designed to help entrepreneurs find profitable products to sell online. Located at Saleo.com, SaleWho offers a comprehensive directory of suppliers, along with market research tools and training resources. This makes it a potentially valuable asset for dropshippers, wholesalers, and e-commerce businesses in general. The core feature of SaleWho is its supplier directory, boasting over 8,000 verified suppliers. These suppliers offer a diverse range of products, from clothing and electronics to home goods and pet supplies. The platform promises access to wholesale prices, allowing you to maximize your profit margins. Furthermore, SaleWho vets each supplier, aiming to ensure reliability and quality, reducing the risk of encountering fraudulent or unreliable vendors. Beyond the directory, SaleWho provides market research labs. These tools help you analyze product trends, identify profitable niches, and estimate competition levels. This data-driven approach empowers you to make informed decisions about which products to sell and how to price them competitively. It takes the guesswork out of product selection, allowing you to focus on building your brand and marketing your products effectively. SaleWho also understands the challenges of navigating the world of e-commerce, which is why they offer a suite of training resources. These resources include step-by-step guides, tutorials, and online support. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced seller, you can benefit from their educational materials, which cover topics like setting up your online store, managing inventory, and marketing your products. This comprehensive approach aims to equip you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Finally, SaleWho prides itself on its supportive community. You can connect with other entrepreneurs, share insights, and get advice from experienced sellers. This community aspect fosters a collaborative environment, providing a valuable network of support and shared learning. This can be incredibly helpful, especially when facing challenges or looking for new ideas. In summary, SaleWho offers a compelling package for those looking to source products and build a successful online business. With its extensive supplier directory, powerful market research tools, comprehensive training resources, and supportive community, SaleWho provides a comprehensive platform to facilitate your e-commerce journey. Check out the link in the description and explore SaleWho for yourself.